In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at 2 by 3 digit multiplication problems. So I've set up the same problem or similar problem to yesterday's. It is 723 times 64. And in order to solve this problem, I'm going to use all of the strategies that we already have talked about. Again, I'm going to start with the array model. And this is 723. So when I break this up and make an area model or the array model, I'm going to break it up into 700 plus 20 plus 3. This is the expanded form of this number. And then down here I'm going to do 64. So 60 plus 4. And then anywhere I see my plus sign, I'm going to draw a line to make my area boxes. So now we're going to multiply these through. So I'm going to just start with saving the zeros here. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then I add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So it's 42,000. 60 times 20 is 6 times 2 is 12. And then I add the 2 zeros. And 60 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18. Add 1 zero. 7 times 4 is 28, and then I add the 2 zeros. 4 times 20 is 80, 8, and then add the 0. And then 4 times 3 is 12. Then I'll simply add them up, and I'll find the product. Okay, so now that I have my array model, I just posted it here for reference. I'm going to show or work out this problem using the partial products strategy. So first I do 4 times 3, and that equals 12. Then we do 4 times 20, which equals 80. Then I do 4 times 700, which equals 2,800. And then I now go to the 6. 6 times 3, and remember it's 6 tens, so 60 times 3 equals 180. 60 times 20 equals 1,200. And then finally 60 times 700, which equals 42,000. And I'll add those up. So 2 plus zeros is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then I only have a 4 in the front. So the answer is 46,272. Now, what I do want you guys to remember or realize is, if you notice, all these problems that we did and all these solutions or partial products were the parts in our array model or our area model. Okay, so now let's really quickly work through the standard algorithm method. So one more time. 3 times 4 is 12. I bring down the 2. I carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 more is 9. And I cross that out so I remember not to use it the next time I'm multiplying. And then 4 times 7 is 28. I bring down the 8 and I carry the 2, but there's no number up here to carry it to, so I can bring it right down. Then I'm going to start with the 6. And now remember the 6 is in the tens place, so I need to add a 0 here to have that place filler for the ones. So 6 times 3 is 18. I bring down the 8. I carry my 1. See how I used it? If it was a different number, it might be a little bit more confusing. And then we do 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 1 more is 13. And then I carry the 1 again. 7 times 6 is 42. Add 1 more is 43. So I have the 3, and I would bring it up, but I don't have anything there, so I put the 43 down. And then I simply add it up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then I have 4 plus nothing. So even when using a 3-digit number or larger, it is simply following the same steps.